Hello, good morning, Jenaline. Can you please introduce yourself?
I'm Jenaline P. Calvo, 40 years old from Philippines. I have two sons. They are 18 years old and 16 years old. I was in work in Kuwait in almost 6 years. I work in 7 people. They are 1 baba, 1 madam, and 5 child. In my work, they are cooking, cleaning, was in car, and ironing and was in school.
Okay. So, you work in Kuwait for 6 years with 1 employer, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, the kids, may I know the age again of the kids?
Yes, they are 22 and 22, 24, 20, 18 and 15.
18 and 15. So, the youngest is 15.
Yes.
Okay. No toddlers, no newborn?
No.
Okay.
But they are sometime I take care of my madam grandson.
Grandson? What is the age of the kid?
They are two months and 2 years.
Okay. 2 months and 2 years old. Okay. So, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in the Hong Kong because they are my kids and go to school and too much expensive. I don't have money here to provide her in Philippines.
Okay. So, how many years do you see yourself working in Hong Kong?
As you want.
As the employer wants. Okay. So, you mentioned that you experienced taking care 2 months baby and 2 years old.
Yes.
So, what are the important things that you need to do in taking care of them?
The baby, the 2 months, they are give the milk and take care of the pampers and take care of loving.
Okay. So, aside from taking your kids, so you also do household works, right?
Yes.
And cooking?
Yes.
Okay. So, do you love cooking or are you good in cooking?
I'm not good, but if I work in Hong Kong, I learn.
You can willing to learn.
Yes, I willing to learn how to cook the Cantonese.
Okay, okay. So, if we will be given you a job offer that you need to share room with the kids or elderly, are you okay with that?
Yes.
Okay, because in Hong Kong, some house, you need to share room. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, how about if you have a co-helper?
Yes, madam.
A co-helper, if you are 2 helpers in the employer. So, is it okay to you?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So, last, can you promise us not to borrow money to your employer or any lending company in Hong Kong?
No, madam.
Okay. So, message for your future employer.
Picture of my employer.
Yes, message. Any message.
My employer.
Yes.
In the Hong Kong.
Yes. What are the characteristics that you have so they will hire you? How will you convince the employer to hire you?
If you ask, is like me, I promise I do my work hard, and I will promise I will good for your family.